Okay, people having the same efficiency, people working at different efficiencies. Okay, we'll combine them into one question. Let's see. So work of 2 men can be done by 4 women or 3 boys. 15 boys and 5 men are employed together to complete a job in 12 days. How long will 3 men, 4 women, and 6 boys together take to complete the same work? Okay, guys. Now to solve these questions, guys, I personally follow a 3-step procedure. Okay, I first deal with the efficiencies. मैं सबसे पहले हमेशा try करता हूँ to find out the efficiencies. Then I try to find out the work done, and then whatever is asked in the question. Okay, this is my simple 3-step procedure to solve all these questions. And first, second का थोड़ा order आगे भी choose होता है. Sometimes you might land up with the work done first, efficiencies later. Okay, sequence first, second का शायद change होता है, but the procedure will remain the same. So let's see how we solve these questions. We say that let the efficiencies be M, W, and B, okay, units per day respectively for men, women, and boys. Okay. Now, whatever, in all these questions, whatever they are saying in the form of a statement, let's convert everything in the form of equations. Okay. So 2 men, the work of 2 men can be done by 4 women or 3 boys. Okay. If the efficiency of each man is M, 2 men will be 2 into M, right? Similarly, for 4 women, it will be 4 into W, and for 3 boys, it will be 3 into B. As simple as that. Now we divide throughout by their LCM, which is 12. When you do that, you'll get M upon 6 equals to W upon 3 equals to B upon 4. Okay. Now, guys, if we equate all of these to, let's say, equal to K, suppose, so M will be equal to 6K, W will be 3K, and B will be equal to 4K, right? Okay. In the end, क्या हो जाएगा? When we calculate the work done in terms of these values, उसमें भी K आएगा. So when you divide them, the value of K will get cancelled out. Okay. Or you can simply treat the K as 1 in that case. So you will get M is equal to 6, W is equal to 3, and B is equal to 4. Whichever way you look at it, I simply want to cancel out. I simply want to get rid of the value of K, which I take. Okay. So there is no need to take K separately here. Okay. You can directly take M as 6, W as 3, and B as 4 to solve the question. Let's see how we do that further. So 15 boys and 5 men are employed to complete a job in 12 days. Using this statement, we find out the total work done. Okay. 1 boy, the efficiency is 4 units. 5 men, okay, also 1 man, the efficiency is 6 units. So 15 boys and 5 men, the efficiency is what? 15B plus 5M. Okay. ऐसा वो लोग 12 दिन के लिए काम करेंगे for 12 days. So multiplying the work done by 12. Putting in the values, you will get 1080 units of work done. Okay. हमने B को put किया 4 units and हमने M को put किया 6 units, right? So total work is 1080 units, right? Now the question demands how long will 3 men, 4 women, and 6 boys together take to complete the same work? Okay, efficiency of 3 men, 4 women, and 6 boys will be 3M plus 4W plus 6B every day, right? Okay, so putting the values 3 into 6 plus 4 into 12 plus 6 into 4, 18 plus 12 plus 24 is 54 units per day. Now they want to find out the time taken. Time taken is nothing but the work done divided by the efficiency. So we divide these two values, 1080 upon 54. The time taken is 20 days. As simple as that, right, guys? Okay, so many people make many dirty fractions. Efficiency of each man is 1 upon the other. I completely get rid of all fraction in these questions because I apply the concept of LCM. Okay,